If you're an American retiree wondering how to use IRA rollovers to build a more diversified and secure retirement, you're in the right place. Many people overlook the potential of rolling over their retirement funds into different accounts, but doing so can give you more control and better options for wealth protection, especially as you get closer to retirement. When it comes to securing your financial future, IRA rollovers are a powerful tool, but it's crucial to understand how they work and how to use them effectively. Simply rolling over your IRA from one account to another without any strategic planning could leave your portfolio exposed to unnecessary risk. And that's not what you want, especially if you're planning to retire soon or you're already retired. So, let's talk about the process first. When you roll over an IRA, you're essentially moving your funds from one type of retirement account to another, typically when you change jobs or retire. This gives you an opportunity to move your money into a plan that might better align with your goals. But here's the catch. How you roll over your funds matters. You could choose to move them into a traditional IRA, a Roth IRA, or even into a gold IRA. If you're not familiar with gold IRAs, they're a specialized type of IRA that allows you to invest in physical gold and other precious metals, rather than just stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. And this is key. Gold IRAs offer a unique way to protect your wealth, especially in times of economic uncertainty. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I encourage you to click the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide that will show you how thousands of Americans are securing their financial futures with gold IRAs. But let's backtrack a bit and explore why using an IRA rollover could be the key to building a more secure retirement. The first step is identifying which kind of retirement accounts you currently have and understanding the potential risks. For example, if you have a 401k from your old job, you may want to consider rolling it over into an IRA. This could give you more flexibility in choosing where you invest your money. But the real magic happens when you start using an IRA rollover to diversify. Diversifying your retirement savings is essential. As you may know, relying on just one type of investment can be risky, especially as market conditions shift. Stocks and bonds can be volatile, especially during times of economic downturns. That's where gold IRAs come in. Gold, as a precious metal, has historically been a safe haven during market volatility. By rolling over a portion of your funds into a gold IRA, you're adding a layer of protection against inflation, market crashes, and other financial risks. And here's the best part. By using IRA rollover strategically, you can not only diversify your portfolio, but also ensure that you have a secure, stable retirement income. Imagine having part of your retirement savings in gold, where it can potentially grow in value as inflation rises, while the other part is in more traditional investments. This balance could give you the best of both worlds, growth potential and stability. But what if you're unsure of where to start? If you're still not sure how a gold IRA works, or whether it's the right move for you, don't worry, you're not alone. This is exactly why you should click the first link in the description to get your free guide. It's an easy way to get the information you need to make an informed decision and start protecting your wealth right away. As an American retiree with over 100K in an IRA or 401k, or even $5 in savings, you need to be thinking about protecting your wealth in the best way possible. A gold IRA is one of the smartest options to consider when rolling over your funds into something more secure and long-lasting. By adding precious metals to your retirement strategy, you're creating a foundation that can withstand economic ups and downs. In closing, remember that IRA rollovers are an important tool for building a diversified and secure retirement. But choosing the right investment strategy is what really makes the difference. Gold IRAs give you the opportunity to protect and grow your wealth in ways that traditional investment options simply can't match. If you're serious about securing your retirement and protecting your wealth, I recommend taking a look at that free Gold IRA guide. Whether you have 100K or $5 in savings, it's time to start making your money work for you. Click the link, and I'll walk you through exactly how to take the next step in securing your financial future. Thank you for watching.